discounting, the second aspect of time value of money. Please remember, compounding is important more in the context of fixed income securities. Discounting is relevant in case of more when you are doing organic growth or inorganic growth. But both of them are
What is that growth, sir? Once more.
or
What is this growth?
organic growth and inorganic growth. So organic growth, is when you are growing from within. So you are expanding your capacities, you're going for diversification, modernization, expansion, debottlenecking. Now these are all examples of organic growth. And then you have inorganic growth, that means you're growing from outside. So when you are growing by acquiring companies, taking over companies, purchasing businesses from other companies, that is your inorganic growth. Okay, so discounting. Now, please remember, as in the context of compounding, in case of discounting also, we need to understand it from four different angles. And what those four different angles are? Those four different angles are: number one is present value of a single cash flow. Present value of a single cash flow. How do we find present value of single cash flow? We will find present value of single cash flow by using a formula and or by using a factor which is known as PVIF, present value investment factor. Present value investment factor. How do we calculate present value investment factor? We calculate present value investment factor by dividing 1 by 1 plus k raised to n. So dividing 1 by 1 plus k raised to n. This will give us the present value investment factor. And once you have the present value investment factor with you, multiply it with your cash flow, and which is single cash flow in this case. And what you will get the present value of future cash flow. This is how you calculate present value of single cash flow. Let us again understand it with the help of an example and with the help of an illustration or a small exercise as to how do we calculate present value of a single cash flow. And here is your illustration, your exercise. Should not take you more than 30 seconds.